Is it fucking recording? Yeah. Um, so I'm kind of pissed. I didn't lose money. I made $225, but I keep on making the same mistake in the sense of, basically fear is dictating how successful I'm able to be with the trading thing. And I do this every day. Like I've had some good trades. The past the past 7 days that I've traded, I've been profitable for 6 of those days. Um, but I'm not profiting the way I'm just not doing it correctly. And I'll explain it. Here's how I started the day. I just looked to get a bias for the day. If we're gonna basically just trying to figure out, are we bullish or bearish? Are we going up or down for the day? I suspected that we're going to be going down, and that's the position that I took. Like when I took the trade, I shorted it. So, and the reason that that's my bias is because right here, obviously, like this is bullish, we're going up and up and up, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. This is a 45-minute time frame, and then this shit happened because news and the government shut down, and there was the Fed was doing stuff and having meetings and whatnot. So I think I lost money on this day. Like I think this maybe was the day or maybe a couple days afterwards. But anyways, in terms of like creating a bias, I was like, okay, well we're up to these levels of liquidity, which is a major high. This is the highest high. So, based on this move up, I'm expecting some kind of a retracement down to some of these previous levels, like maybe at least right here. And we hit this one. So that's what I was thinking for the day. So then we mark out, oh, this doesn't need to be here. This is from yesterday. I didn't take a trade yesterday because there was no setups. And just so that you can see the chart without those lines, like this is what we're looking at. Bullish, this is just chop, just market. The government's fucking shut down, so I don't think there's any clear direction of what the market is trying to do, I guess, dude. Anyways, so London low, London high, Asia low. So the trade that I took, and basically, we got this wick that kind of hit near here, and I entered on this candle here. The wick almost touched this London high. My stop loss would have been about right here, maybe right here. A clearing bar, meaning a bar that closes, would have needed to be like right here, and I would have just stopped out. Luckily, we had this move down. It was a small move down. And then I had to wait and just kind of hold my position for 5-ish minutes or so. And then we got that move down. And then I exited too early. Like, this needs to be my exit, right? But I make a little bit of money and then I get scared and then I exit. And I need to stop doing that. Like, I need to trust myself, and because I was right. Like, bearish bias, we went bearish. I should have waited at least until here to exit. But your mind creates all these different things. So like in my mind, I was like, oh shit, we might bounce off of this level and go up. We already passed the 200 EMA. Like, you just come up with all these ways to get out of the position because you're scared. So like you get scared and anxious, and then because of that, you like lose control of your mind, and it starts creating reasons to like, not do what you're supposed to do, basically. So I missed out on some points. And then, I was staring at the charts, and then we had this move up, and then we had this literally perfect candle that indicated that we're going to bounce back downwards. So right here I was like, okay, I need to be shorting it, but I already took my trade for the day. So I'm trying to be disciplined and not just keep mashing the button. You know, so this would have been a perfect trade. This one here I might actually take. We'll see what happens here because I swear it's going to go down. Anyways, I probably won't get in on this one, and I'm just going to watch myself lose out on an opportunity to make money. But that's how the trade went for the day. And, yeah, it's just basically levels of liquidity and price just reacting all of them. So that's, yeah, that's it. That's the trade for the day.